And the marketing engineer's job is different in that we've created a lot of automation to eliminate functional roles in our company to reduce overhead so our customers don't have to pay gazillions of dollars to buy our service, but also to make sure we could compensate marketing engineers better than our industry to find the very best people at strategy. And so the reason we call them marketing engineers is because their job, so if we have a sales engine built for the landscape, design industry, and that sales engine's job is to get that company $150,000 landscape projects from an affluent customer, and the sales engine gets everything about 80% there. The marketing engineer's job, based on the training we give them, is get that extra 20% and create the strategy needed for the customer to connect those two dots and to get the automation and artificial intelligence that we use kind of dialed in and working. Their job is to engineer those results every month to get to get the amount of leads they need, to get the cost per lead where it needs to be, and to monitor the customer's close rate with them. So we're making sure we're bringing in customers for the exact cost, because you can know how many leads you need, and you can know exactly what you need to be paying for them. But if your close rate drops, unless you get more leads, your cost per customer is going to go up, because if your close rate drops, now you need more leads to get the same amount of customers. So all these little odometers move around based on the marketing conditions or market conditions to impact what you're actually paying. And if you know those numbers as an owner operator, you can make adjustments with very little worry. I'll say very little worry, but a lot less worry than other people. A lot of people kind of operate in I don't really know what's happening with my marketing, but I know some of it's working. We try to get people into a place where they know to an approximated amount exactly what's working. It's like, okay, now we just need to cut back a little on this and add a little more of that. And now we're there. And they have that sense of certainty. And the marketing engineer's job is to give them that information and to make sure that they know which lever to pull when it's time to pull it.